Mama's in a mood. Do you hear its dark goodness percolating? Okay, you gotta ask nice. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome.
Lion King.
Lion King. Good. What is it?
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you. Mimi got a sticker. That's a great way to start the day. Fun. And there's a garbage right there.
Yeah, that one is my favorite one. You were saying not like that one. So the first one, not want to go on that one.
Are you excited or not?
I'm excited.
Me too.
That doesn't bother me.
And there's the entrance. We're glad we got here when we did. What?
We already went through the awesome entrance.
Yeah, to get into the Disney World, but now into Hollywood Studios. And boy, did the cars start coming behind us when we got out of our car. So, but we also slept in, and that was nice.
Trees are, Mom.
Oh, they're
They have
fabulous.
tiny leaves.
Yeah, that is kind of strange, huh?
Tall trees with tiny leaves. Mom, I just heard some of the park music.
Oh no!
Listen.
Oh, I do hear it. Ooh, look at that weird pine cone thing. Or some kind of cone. I don't know. Probably not pine. Something. Okay, we're gonna go over here. We gotta go through security.
Security.
La la la.
Da, da, da.
Dee dee dee.
The best music. Look at the cute little doggy.
Oh, but that's not a fun dog though. That one's to make sure you don't have naughty stuff. Good morning.
Look at that.
There's Mickey. Mimi says he's crossing over the whole world.
He is.
All right.
Because the earth is spinning and it looks like he's walking around it.
Yeah, we just had the nicest cast member take our
Yeah.
picture for us.
Yeah.
But he reminded us that we forgot to take a picture out in front of the Hollywood sign. And so we'll do that a little bit later. But for now, we are going to Toy Story Land. Yep, Slinky Dog Dash.
Mom, let's get on the sidewalk.
Why?
Yeah.
Mimi wants to go on the sidewalk. She's silly.
He was like, he's like, just play.
My happy girl. This is what it's all about, Frugal Friends. I'm so glad we did sleep in a little though. And Mama already had 2 hotel coffees.
All I remember is just playing in Disney.
So we don't need to get in line for the coffee here. Not right now anyway.
All I remember is playing in Disneyland and in Minecraft.
Good morning.
But this is real. It's not Minecraft.
No, this is the real thing, Moo Moo. The real thing. Now, if we went down that way, we would go to Tower of Terror. But we're going this way, and ahead of us is Runaway Railway, but we're gonna go past it and go to your Toy Story Land.
Yeah, and then we're gonna come back and do Mickey's
Yes, yes.
real. Look how cool it looks.
Isn't
Look
that
how
fabulous?
From them going everywhere.
Yeah, that's crazy. Ah.
Look, their hands are waving.
Do you love it or do you love it?
I love it.
Me too.
It smells like popcorn.
Yeah, it does.
It also smells like Disney World. Ooh, what is that? Did you see Slinky Dog Dash?
Yep. Starting off with Toy Story Land.
Yep.
That was Mimi's choice. Look how big Woody and Jessie are. We decided that
Partners, Sheriff Woody here.
we must be the like army-sized toys.
Gonna take a spin around the galaxy. Here's
So much to see. Didn't I tell you you would love all the colors?
Size of the whoa.
Do you love it? That's what we're doing. Do you see the Christmas lights? Isn't that great?
Look, they used to pencil.
I told you you would love this land.
Ooh, can we do some midway games?
Yeah, we're gonna do that next. First we'll do the roller coaster, then Midway, then the alien spinny thing.
Okay.
Yes.
Dude,
Look at this girl. Oh. Ready, Mimi?
Wildest ride in Andy's backyard.
in Andy's backyard. They said in Andy's He got the best right now.
Oh, yes.
Wait, Mom, I think we're gonna go again.
Uh-oh. 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 What's he doing? Ready? Set.
Here we go.
Big final, Mom.
Okay, there's, see, I told you, there's Penguin.
Yeah, you got a friend in me.
What do you think? Did you love this ride or what?
Can we go again?
Yes, yes.
Mom, you can see it quicker.
Oh, yep, there it is. Yeah, I do. I love it. Oh my goodness.
Look, it's Marcy.
You're gonna see it yesterday and around the backyard.
Oh, wait, they're slow.
So Mimi loved Slinky Dog Dash.
Yes.
It was amazing. We're gonna have to tighten your hat. Next, we're going on the swirling saucers.
Yes, okay.
Doesn't that look fun? And a little bit crazy. You don't want to go on that after you've had something to eat. So this is perfect.
I think he's controlling us.
All right, we're on the swirling saucers. We got to walk right on, no wait at all. That's awesome. And now
See, look,
it's spinny
Pizza
time.
Planet. It's Pizza
Oh, it is, huh? Look how colorful. Oh my goodness, the colors. Yeah, that's my favorite thing about this land. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
It's probably because it's like little,
Thank you.
it's like little toy rides.
Yeah, which is amazing. And we don't even have to spin it. It does it for us, I think. I don't know, there's buttons. No, they don't do anything.
Fully seated with your seatbelt fastened while the
I
ride
already
is
tried,
in
they don't do
motion.
anything.
And
Oh, you tried
no
them?
lap sitting. All right, toys, get ready to blast off to infinity and beyond.
To infinity and beyond.
Called us toys. We would actually be big toys because those toys are actually kind of big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know about you, but I am
It smells
ready
like pizza.
for something
Smell it, Mom.
really cold.
Smell it. Doesn't it smell like pizza?
How'd they do that?
I don't know.
That's crazy. It does. It smells like pizza. Smellitizers. Smellitizers. Some people are switching spots, so it's just going to be a second. But yeah, we literally got to walk right on. It's fantastic. I thought that the low wait times that I've been watching on the app would be done today because today is the anniversary. But no, not here. That's at Magic Kingdom, not here. Here, great wait times. pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
That's a fun little ride to cool down, but I'm so glad we didn't eat first. Oh, that would not be good. Seriously, pizza.
I'm saying you'll be playing. Yes, I am.
I think we can
With Woody, Buzzbo, Pete, and Rex, and Pam. My toy friends, they adore you, so they built a place in for you. Step right up, folks. I tell you, everybody can.
What do you got?
Minute Maid, soft frozen lemonade.
It says soft frozen, but they're not soft. They're frozen solid like a rock, but that's okay. It's time for a break, a yummy cold treat. Then we'll go get in line for Mickey and Minnie. Can you get any out of there? Yeah? Mmm, delicious. Your hair's a mess.
We'll get even messier soon.
Yeah, so we're at the Frozen sing-along.
Yeah.
Mimi's so excited.
About to start in 1 minute.
1 minute. And she said, Mommy has to sing. Well, of course I will.
Yeah.
Dear friends, for the health and safety of everyone,
Oh, no, that's just about
we
masks.
kindly ask that
Yeah,
wear
you
a
do
face
still have
covering
to wear
through
masks
the duration of the
inside.
show, including during the sing-along moments.
Which sucks.
Thank you for your
They
cooperation.
won't be able to hear us as much. Well, it's me. They'll be able to hear me.
Welcome, hi. Welcome to this very special day. It's special because for the first time in forever, Elsa and I will be celebrating the Arendelle Festival. Oh, I'm Anna. Hi. Now I'm honored to introduce to you the Arendelle Royal Historians. Hello, everyone. I'm Aria.
That's Aria. Give it up for Aria. And I am Sir Eric. Hello to you all.
Wait, Eric, when were you knighted?
Well, I've been going to night school.
Oh, no.
Waka, thank you for the pity claps. I appreciate it. Just Eric at your service. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Just Eric.
You're welcome.
And what a better way to celebrate Arendelle than to have the royal historian share the story of our kingdom. And our queen, who just happens to be my sister, Queen Elsa!
I've been waiting for this moment for so long!
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Have any of you seen my sister? What? Well, she's about so tall, blonde, kind of keeps to herself. Oh yeah, she has these weird icy snow powers of like pew, pew.
I see.
No? Oh, I know. Hey, Elsa, do you want to build a snowman? Yeah, that never really worked.
No, never
Oh,
does.
sorry, what are we going to do? I don't want Elsa and the Arendelle Festival and everyone
Anna.
party here. Oh,
Anna,
what's this?
they
It's
never
a blizzard. Oh, almost.
Anna, deep breath, just, and then Feel better? Yeah, sort of. Okay.
Yeah, Princess, we've got this. You go ahead and find your sister, and we will share the history of Arendelle.
Yeah, and we'll have them sing all of the royal anthems. It'll be fun.
Oh, okay, that sounds good. Well, I best be off then to find my sister.
Okay.
I'll be back.
We'll be here.
Elsa? Elsa?
Eric, are you ready?
I don't know. Are you all ready? Yeah! I'm ready too.
Citizens of the Kingdom of Hollywoodland, we proudly present to you the story of Anna and Elsa.
Mercy.
We also cordially invite you to join us in the singing of any of our Arendelle anthems. Follow along if you don't know the words.
Aria, I have a feeling they already know the words.
So where should we start?
Let it go, let it go.
But no. Save that for later.
Okay, well, what were you thinking?
At the beginning, where every good story starts.
The beginning. Oh, it was a dark and stormy night.
No, it wasn't.
No, of course, because it was a tale as old as time.
No, that's down the street.
Yeah, could you just tell me where it started then?
It was a beautiful day in the Kingdom of Arendelle.
Oh, I got you. Okay. There were two sisters who loved each other very much.
Princess Anna and Princess Elsa.
But Princess Elsa was born with special powers.
Magical powers that created ice and snow on a love plane with her sister's magical snow.
But one night something terrible happens. Elsa created a monster snowman that rampaged around and knocked things
Eric,
over.
you're jumping ahead again.
What?
Why don't we back it up?
Wait,
Wait, stop right there. 6 feet, please.
Okay, I'll stand over here.
Elsa hit Anna with her magical magical powers freezing her head.
Brain freeze! The king and queen rushed Anna to the help of the trolls. Now, if you have never met a troll before, consider yourself lucky.
Yep.
Because these are mischievous creatures with strange magic, and I am not a fan of them because they wouldn't let me join their band.
What?
Their rock band.
Aaron. Grandpappy, the king of the trolls, fixed Anna's head, though he removed all memories of magic.
Listen to me, Elsa. Your power will only grow. There is beauty in it, but also great danger. You must learn to control it. Fear will be your enemy.
They decided it would be best to keep Elsa's powers hidden away from Anna. And then the saddest thing happened.
What? No more snowmen?
No more snowmen.
Well, we should all sing along to a song about this.
Elsa, please remember to keep your face coverings on.
I got a little baby piano down here. It's pretty fancy. I mean, it's really small.
Elsa? Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Go away, Anna. Okay, bye. The hours tick by. I'm scared. It's getting stronger.
Getting upset only makes it worse. Calm down.
No, don't touch me. Please. I want to hurt you.
Elsa to become queen of Arendelle.
What about her snowy powers, though? right?
Exactly! She was so afraid that her powers would show and she'd be cast out of the kingdom for
For a
forever.
long time. Ooh, and all the while, her sister Anna was dreaming of the possibilities of wow.
I got it.
It's all of us this morning. She was drooling of the possibilities of opening casting gates for the first time in
Forever!
It's Coronation Day. It's Coronation Day.
Close that door. Couldn't know they did that anymore. We have 8,000 salad plates. Aside from these empty halls, we have a ballroom with no balls. They're opening up the gate.
And there was chocolate, the sister's favorite food.
I love chocolate so much.
Yeah!
Who loves chocolate? Okay, everybody, look under your chairs. There's nothing there. No, I'm sorry. And if there is, you shouldn't eat it, okay? Because I've made that mistake before. It did not end well. This is awkward for everybody. But not as awkward as it was between these sisters, right? I mean, they never see each other anymore. But it's maybe there was a bunch of change. They're talking,
Yes!
catching up. You know.
And Prince Hans showed up and they
Oh.
danced the night away.
Brothers, you. I see your face. Nothing on, never on. Okay. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Open door with you, with you. Open door. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. The snow glows wide on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Can't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. The good girls have to be concealed, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go. Uh-oh. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Hands
told, but the ending felt strange.
What?
Well, Olaf did help a lot.
Anna, you saved our whole kingdom. It was you who saved your sister and yourself.
An act of true love will thaw a frozen heart. Pick way to help celebrate.
We rode Mickey's Runaway Railway.
It was awesome.
Mimi loved it. I loved it.
Crazy, but it was still really awesome.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Like,
Now,
we got separated from Goofy, and Goofy, he took the normal path, and we went off the wrong way. Mickey and Minnie were trying to save us, but they went into natural causes,
yeah,
and things kept happening to them.
but it was fun, huh?
Yeah.
And now we're going into a
And
whole
then we
different
got
world. Whoa.
And then we got behind Goofy. Oh,
Yeah.
looks like someone didn't land that well.
Let's go see what happened to them. What happened? A bad wreck, huh?
Something happened.
Well, that does
I
happen.
wonder what that says.
I don't know. Is it weird being on a whole different planet? Which way do you want to go? Through the left or through the right? Right? Okay. Mimi's leading the way. Stormtroopers, what are they doing? Uh-oh, the cloud moved. Mimi's leading the way for now. It really does feel like a different place, huh?
Yeah. Except with a whole bunch of people.
Yeah. Well, there would be people. There would be people. You would just see more that like look like aliens. Oops, excuse me. This one's Millennium Falcon.
Okay, can we do it?
After. We'll do the other one first. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it's a real, yeah. Mimi wants to say hi to Chewie. There you go. Mimi, say hi. Oops, sorry, honey. Is that cool?
Yeah.
The real Chewie? Wow.
I wish we had any cookies to give him.
I know.
I think you can smell out people that have cookies.
Probably, huh?
Let me see where Rise is. I think it's around the
Where did we go now?
next ride.
here. Straight ahead. We are finally going on Rise of the Resistance. It has been open for quite some time, and I still have not gone on it because it was always you had to get a boarding group, but that is no longer the case. Now it is standby, and it's only a 55-minute wait, which for Disney, for such a great ride, I mean, once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away.
The end.
The end?
Yes.
That can't be the end.
It is.
Oh, look at this.
Well,
This
it's
reminds me of Pandora.
And we're going on it. Right?
Yeah, in a couple days.
And sound like space.
Yeah, that's true.
What do you like of that?
So we went on Rise of the Resistance. No, we did not record it for you. There's a million videos of it on YouTube that would be better than what we would do. So we just wanted to go and enjoy it. And did we love it?
She's used to that planet, but
Yeah, but did you love Rise?
yeah,
Yeah? Did it feel like we were really there?
yeah.
That was
She's
crazy.
Never been to Earth.
Yeah, Mimi's pretending that I'm from Batu and not like actually from here. And so she has to teach me like what a car is.
Hotel that we're staying at.
So here's Tower of Terror, and there's only a 13-minute wait.
We're calling it Trisornus. Oh, Trisornus.
Yeah. Mimi's got a vivid imagination, huh?
Yeah. But they said something was
Look at it.
They said something was wrong with the elevator.
Yeah, something's wrong with the elevator. We don't know what. What could it be?
I don't know. I just know that.
I think it's haunted.
I've been to this hotel
Because we
before.
do know about haunted on Batu.
I've been here before, and last time it was really cool. It was
Now, in real life, Frugal Friends, she has not been here. But we're pretending.
It's only pretend.
Yeah, it's only pretend in the game.
Pretend.
Let's go over here.
Last time when I had been there, it was normal, but something happened. Someone died in the elevator,
Yeah, and stuff got really weird.
and they started haunting it, and they brought all their friends with it, and all their family.
I love these wait times. I was so worried that it wouldn't be this great after the 50th anniversary happening. But no, it's fantastic.
You heard some ringing, and you're like, what's that? Your mommy heard some ringing, and
Just a minute. Let me enjoy walking in here. Just for a minute. Methuselah.
and I am Lucy.
You're Lucy, and I'm Methuselah.
Okay, Methuselah. Can we just call you MM?
Yeah, sure.
I was born on Earth, but I sometimes go around the planet.
So we went on the Tower of Terror, and Mimi was so
We
brave.
booked the wrong hotel.
That was definitely the wrong hotel.
So we're gonna book a new one.
So that was our last must-do ride for the day. So now we are resting and recharging with ice cream sundaes. Well, Mimi's is a brownie sundae. Right? And then we'll decide if there's anything we want to redo, or do over rather. And then,
Or other rides.
yeah, if we want to do anything else. But we've done our must-dos. We might even just go back to our hotel and go swimming. But for now, I just have to say how nice it is to come home to a freshly made up room. At the Disney World hotels, they won't do it. I think it's like every 5 days that they will do room service. You can request like extra towels and toilet paper and stuff. But as far as them coming and cleaning and making your bed and restocking your coffee and that, nope, they're still not doing that. Now here, granted, I did have to ask to have everyday housekeeping, but it is at least available. Yet another reason to stay off property. Mimi's in her room watching a show. I'm in here resting. She's watching The Croods, catching up on my stock market stuff, watching The Office. What is it with me and having spent so many years of forcing myself to open and close parks? This is a revelation, guys. This is real. All right, do I dare? I do. This is the way. So we swam, and it was wonderful.
We imagined we were mermaids.
And now we're at Cheesecake Factory, waiting to meet up with Carol and her family.
But we just left Cheesecake, and we're gonna visit our mom and dad in a very long time, which is just 4 weeks in the game, which is 2 days.
We were mermaids in the pool, and it was fun.
Yeah. And we had hair like Luca.
Yeah, and it was awesome. But then our tails turned to legs, and our scales were gone, and it was so weird.
Yeah.
And we were scared, and we didn't know what palm trees were. We thought they were like animals because they were moving in the wind. That's gorgeous. Wow.